Hello viewers, welcome to my channel English Beacon. In today's video, we are going to study the modals ought, used, need and dare. So please stay tuned till the end. While the other modals are followed by the first form of the verb, these four modals take to and first form of the verb after them. I mean, each of these four modals, ought, used, need and dare, is followed by an infinitive. I mean, to and first form of the verb in the sentence. That is the difference with these four modals. So viewers, how to use ought? You see, ought shows advice, moral duty and responsibility. Ought is somewhat like should. You ought to respect your elders. This is your moral duty. We ought to serve our country. This is our moral duty. Please note that I am using to and first form of the verb, I mean an infinitive after the modal ought. If you make a negative sentence with ought, it goes like this: you ought not to fight with your neighbors. So we understand that ought is a modal that expresses a moral duty or responsibility or a piece of advice. And to make a negative sentence with ought, we have to use not right after ought. Up next is used. Used, need and dare are sometimes called semi-modals or half-modals because they may also be used as a principal verb in the sentence. So, what is the use of the modal used? Used shows a regular past activity or a past habit. For example, my grandfather used to tell me interesting stories in my childhood. You see, here also we are using an infinitive, to and the first form of the verb after the modal used. And it is showing a regular past activity. My grandfather had the habit of telling me interesting stories regularly in the past. My grandfather used to tell me interesting stories in my childhood. If you want to make a negative sentence with the modal used, this is how you should. I never used to waste my time in my childhood. He never used to fight with his friends. You may also say, he used not to fight with his friends. I used not to swim in the river out of fear. So, you have to use the expression never used to or used not to make a negative sentence with the modal used. It means you did not have the habit of doing a certain activity in the past. So we understand that the modal used has a single use, that is to show a past habit or a regular activity of the past. Next, we are going to learn the uses of the modal need. Need shows the necessity of doing something. I need to work hard to support my family. It means I have the need or necessity to work hard. After the modal need, also an infinitive is used, to and first form of the verb. I need to work hard to support my family. However, if you are making a negative sentence with the modal need, you have to use the first form of the verb only and not an infinitive. I need not travel by public transport as I have my own vehicle. I repeat, when you are using the modal need in an affirmative sentence, you use to and first form of the verb after it. I need to go there at once. I have an urgent necessity to go there right now. However, if it's a negative sentence, I need not go there now. No infinitive, just the first form of the verb, or a bare infinitive as it is called. You need not come in person. You can call me by phone. So we understand that need is a modal which shows the necessity or need to do something. Last but not the least is the semi-modal dare. Dare means to have the courage or temerity to do something. It's a negative or improper courage, not supposed to have. So dare shows the courage that one is not supposed to have. For example, he dare not argue with me. I dare not insult him. If it is a negative sentence with the modal dare, we do not use an infinitive after it. However, in the case of an affirmative sentence with the semi-modal dare, we have to use an infinitive after it. He dared to spend a whole night in the haunted house. How dare you abuse me? If it is an interrogative sentence with dare, we do not use an infinitive but just the first form of the verb. How dare you abuse me? How come you have the improper courage to abuse me? He dared to take on the tiger with bare hands. Now this is an affirmative sentence, so we are putting an infinitive after it. However, if we have an interrogative or negative sentence with the modal dare, we will use just the first form of the verb after it. So we see that the modal dare has the sense of having the improper or undesirable courage to do something. So dare, need, used and ought have limited usage as modals. but sometimes used, need and dare are also used as a principal verb in the sentence. So that's it for these 4 modals. I hope you have understood the uses and meanings of these modals. If you have benefited from this video, please do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you very much.